guys, welcome back to my channel. It is almost the holiday season. I always love to share with you guys tons of inspiration, tons of ideas, so I am getting a really early head start. It's not even Halloween yet when I'm filming this, but we're gonna go into a couple stores today. I've been noticing that they're all getting their Christmas displays out, all their holiday decorations. I thought it'd be a really good time to go in and do some shopping before things get picked over, kind of see what vision I'm gonna go with. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, then you might know I recently moved into a new house, so we kind of have like this fresh slate. I have some ideas, like some more modern but still cozy glam Christmas vibes that we're going for today. So the first store, the first store is at home, so let's go ahead and go on in. By the way, if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you want to see like a holiday decorate with me in our holiday house tour. So give this one a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go. What are we hoping for?
Vlogmas AF is what we're hoping for.
That's what we're going for this year. Vlogmas AF. So, otherwise we're thinking, what, gold or silver? We already have a tree, but the trees here are really good. I feel like they have great prices here. And
I think both of our trees we got at Home Depot.
We got both of our trees at Home Depot because that was before we figured out what at home was. But, I mean, they have like hundreds. Pretty lit. Look at that one right now.
That's cool, I like that.
I like trees like this. I like that their ornaments are like pre-sorted by color, so I'm just gonna go for the more traditional like red and green with gold and white. We haven't done that yet.
I like that. We've never done actual Christmas colors.
I love those colors, so I think it's gonna be cool. So when I was doing some research, I did some research this year. There's these trees, like Alpine trees that kind of have like this really pretty like whimsical look, and I see one like that kind of looks like it over here. I want to look at it. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I do like that.
I like how it's not so full, and I like the burlap bottom.
Do you put that outside?
I think if you had two small ones, you put it outside. I feel like this is too big, don't you?
It's big.
We dare buy a third tree.
Please, no. I like that one though.
I like this one too, like the tall, skinny one.
I like that color better, but.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's also tall and skinny. 99 bucks. I really like that look. And even if you did like a clump of like 3 together, we were talking about that, I think that'd be really pretty too.
Okay, Julian, you need to pick out an ornament.
Mickey and Minnie. Good job, let's get you really close. No, it's Mickey. Do you want to see? Ooh, who is that? Is that Mickey? Yeah, I like that one. Let's get that one. Okay, this is awesome.
How tall is that? 12 foot.
That is so cool. I don't know how big that's pretty. You have to get like a full-blown ladder. That is really cool.
But I like it would fit in our house.
Yeah, it would. I always like getting the scented pine cones. Yeah, they smell like cinnamon. Balsam pine cones. Can you smell?
Someone sees something.
Ooh. Something else I love is that they have a lot of like organizational stuff for after Christmas. Like we have a bunch of these that we keep our wreaths in, like just these tubs, so you know all your Christmas stuff is there. If you spend a lot of money on Christmas stuff, you want to like, even if you don't, you want to save it and keep it for the next year. So these things are like so nice to have. But you know what I'm looking for is like a tree stand that we saw at Crate and Barrel, and they're like more of like a basket. Remember?
Yeah, those are nice.
Looking for something like
yeah,
that.
Those are cool.
I absolutely love this more like natural look. They're $5.99. We have a ton, but I kind of like that natural look. I'm deciding how many we need. 3. I'm trying to do like a table scape, so I think I'm gonna do this as the runner and these on top with candles. He found something he likes better. It's like a spatula. I'm not a big fan of the stockings here. I think I already have stockings anyways. These are kind of cute though. Just like fun to have for pictures. Gotten a little sidetracked. I like this kind of stuff too. I don't know, I feel like this is kind of...
What's that for?
It's just like a fruit bowl. But I really like look at these dishes. These are pretty. Like this is really pretty. Ooh. These are cool too. might get some other
Alex,
stuff.
just give us the Vlogmas content, girl.
Okay. Move along, but I like this stuff.
Oh, these mugs are cool.
Yeah. I really
This stuff's
like it.
cool.
I know.
Huh? It's a very underrated store. There's no one in here.
This is cute. Look at this. It's nice and wood and marble. It's so pretty. I love this kind of magnolia leaf.
That's a Christmas decoration?
Yeah. Which one do you like?
Neither.
I think this could be cute. You know where I was gonna put this? Actually, on like the hood.
The hood of what?
The hood then.
Oh, that might look good.
Yeah. Yeah. I try not to get distracted. You're really distracted now. We're on the complete. Michael takes over. Yeah, he's taking over. He wants it all. Okay. We've got like 45 minutes of him in a store max before he panics and like wants to get out and play. So I think we're done here. I think we did what we got to do here and on to the next store. We're at Target. They have a couple of things set out. I think these are cute, but like the only thing is it's kind of already like
It's not good.
I know, but it's really cute. I think these are really pretty like little crystals. You could put candles in them. What I'm trying to look for. I thought I had placed like this huge order online on Target. I just looked at my email and I'm so guilty of doing this all the time where I think I place orders and I just leave things in the cart. So I thought I had all this stuff already coming. So now I'm gonna like look for what I had in my cart.
Like that better.
Yeah, I like that better. Let's return.
What, did you grab the receipt?
Yeah, let's return the other one. I like this one. Don't you?
Yeah.
And I think a couple of photos would be cute too because we're getting our couch.
Do you see any?
Well, I'd see like that. We really need two. One for Julia and one for Colby.
What about you and me? We're not getting one this year.
Oh, okay. You saw those little sticks of like cotton that I bought. Do you think they'd fit better in this one or this one?
Probably that one. Are you gonna grab the stocking?
Yeah, which one do you like the most? Like this one? And this one?
Sure.
So, the little mini problem is they're setting up the Christmas stuff right now. So I don't want to like tear through everything.
You're basically like grabbing out of their hands and looking at it.
Yeah, so we're just trying to be respectful. Let them set it up. Maybe we'll come back later in the week, but we got a couple good things. Sometimes like when things are so cute, I can't decide, so I just get nothing. I can't decide. We made it home. I was gonna go to Home Goods, but the closest one was like 20 minutes away, so I didn't want to push my luck with Julian. He's been in a really good mood today, so I thought I would just do a haul of everything I got, and then in the next couple of weeks we can do a decorate with me if you guys want to see it. So first thing I got was this really pretty vase from Target. I have one like this in my bathroom. It's just wider and I love it. Super good quality. This was $19.99. I think I'm gonna put these little cotton sticks in there that I got from At Home. I also got this really pretty table runner from At Home. And then you guys already saw the little magnolia wreath. Ooh, did one fall off? No. That I'm thinking about putting like right up there, and I got some like command strips for it. We're getting our new couch this week, so I thought I'd pick up a couple like festive pillows. This one really pretty, the red and white stripes. It's very similar, just green and a little bit more of like a rectangular lumbar shape. And then this one, super cute, it says Peace on Earth. We got tons of bubbly. You help?
Don't mind me.
Bubbly's our favorite, and then I got a different mat. I liked that one that I got At Home, but then we saw one at Target that we both liked better. And I'll show you. It's home for the holidays. Let them go outside. Okay, let's see, what else? I got the traditional ornaments. I got all the scented pine cones like I told you guys. I got some burlap. I don't know if I'll use the table runner or this as table runner, or I might use this for something else. Might end up returning it if I don't need it, but I thought it would kind of go with that whole rustic kind of vibe that we're going for. The spatula that Julian really liked. All of that super pretty beaded garland. This is awesome, I love this. And then the last thing I picked up were 2 stockings, and they are green and white. Since we did like the red and white with the pillows, I thought the green and white kind of mismatch would be cute. Actually, this one's black. Black and white. This one's black and white too. It's just that the pom-pom is green, but they're black and white. So super cute. I also picked up a bunch of stuff like online from Pottery Barn and West Elm, so that'll all be in the Decorate With Me video. Give this one a thumbs up if you guys want to see that. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out when I upload it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.